Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to enable Fingerprint Unlock on Dropbox with the most up-to-date steps. If you want to secure your files while accessing them quickly and easily, this feature is perfect for you. Let's dive right in. First, open the Dropbox app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your account because Fingerprint Unlock only works once you're signed in. Once the app is open, look for the Settings menu. Usually, you can find settings by tapping on your profile icon or the three horizontal lines at the top corner of the screen. After entering the Settings menu, scroll down until you find the option labeled Configure Passcode. This is where Dropbox allows you to add extra layers of security to your account, including Fingerprint Unlock. Tap on Configure Passcode, and you'll see several options related to locking your Dropbox app. The feature you want here is the Fingerprint Unlock toggle. Simply switch this toggle on. At this point, Dropbox may ask you to authenticate your fingerprint using the fingerprint scanner on your device. Place your registered finger on the sensor, and once it recognizes your fingerprint, the feature will be enabled. Now, whenever you open Dropbox, you'll be able to unlock it effortlessly with just a touch of your finger, offering both convenience and security. This makes it easier than ever to keep your files safe without needing to type in your password every single time. If you ever want to disable Fingerprint Unlock, just go back to the same Configure Passcode section in Settings and toggle it off. It's as simple as that. Keep in mind, Fingerprint Unlock depends on your device's biometric capabilities, so make sure your phone supports fingerprint scanning and that the feature is already set up in your device settings. Enabling Fingerprint Unlock on Dropbox is a quick way to protect your personal and professional files without any hassle. Now your account stays secure, and accessing your files is faster than ever. Thanks for watching.